Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got something really cool here with me. This is the Muji capsule spinner in the house for a review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what do we have in the box, because this is a very, very cool one, guys. Look at that. This guy comes with just some nice stickers. This is Muji, EDC Muji, and also like a very, very neat card. Inside you have this neat presentation. You can just pull this guy out. This is the key that you're gonna be needing to take down or to assemble your spinner. It comes with this nicely done Muji titanium plate, and then you've got your core, and then you have these three capsules over here, and that's it for the box. And then if you're not happy with 3 capsules, you can buy another 3 capsules, and which in this case are 1, 2, and 3. Let's see if they stay okay. And they come with a nice clear plastic box, and you also have these titanium, how to call them, these are like little plugs that you can actually use in your core. So how does this work? This is a very intricate piece. For example, you can further disassemble this one just like by taking this guy apart like that, all right? And you're gonna be seeing the inside, so like so. You're gonna be seeing like a Muji engraving with your serial number, and on the other side you have a ring, like a retaining ring for a bearing. And this here, this little titanium plate actually is the perfect size to disassemble your toy. So I'm just not gonna do that, because I mean, you get the idea. So it's not just like an aesthetic feature, like, or like just something they added, they tossed in. No, it's absolutely a functional part. So basically it's like the key in order for you to change the bearing if you want to. So how this guy is going to look when assembled, so let's check it out. So basically you have your 2 buttons, which are made of titanium, and it's going just to screw in like so, and it's gonna be, yeah, you can just do it nice and tight. And here you already have like a nice spinner per se. So you can opt now to use these plugs with your tool right over here. You can just do like that, okay? And just say you can use 6 plugs all around, because you have 6, right? And then you have just your minimal spinner. Or you can do, for example, you can do 3 or 2 or 4. It's up to you, basically. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you how this guy can be configured. So, for example, here you have these capsules, which are fantastic. Guys, look at this. The craftsmanship going into these pieces is fantastic. Beautiful machining. This is titanium and this is copper. And just look at the detail on this little part. Fantastic. And this one, this is milled out from a solid chunk of titanium. Beautifully done. Absolutely fantastic. And this guy just screws in like so. All right. And then you can let's use these 2, for example. All right, so you can just do like opposite direction, and you're gonna have just like your regular spinner like that. 2 capsules. Really, really cool. All right. You can also, of course, like if you use it with 2, you're gonna be able to install 4 plugs like that, and it's gonna be very, very interesting. So let's check out the weight of the spinner with 2 capsules installed. Really, really cool, guys. Already like this is just a very interesting one. This is going to be 2.34 ounces, so nice weight to it. If you want to install 3, you have to just remove 1 and just put it to the side like that, and take the 3rd one and just like that. And with 3 capsules, this guy is going to be 2.80 ounces, and if you want to do the math, you see that every capsule is 0.46 ounces. So you see you have 3 capsule spinner like that, really silent, really smooth, 100%. Then you have, of course, the option to do 3 plugs. If you want to do 4, you can also do 4 capsules, and it's going to be like 2 on this side and 2 on this side, and you're going to have the option of installing 2 of these plugs. All right, so that's another option, and it's going to look fantastic no matter what. You can also, of course, just use it like that in reverse. The next option is to use the 6 of them. So in order to do that, since these are just slightly different, and I'm just gonna do like this. I'm just gonna move this guy right over here, so they are alternated, and if there's any difference in weight, there's not gonna be any wobbly going on. All right, so this is going to be the look of the fully assembled piece with the 6 capsules. Guys, this is some serious engineering, some serious machining going on, 100%. I mean, you can just put it in your table and just have it spin like that. Good spinning time. But I mean, the look of this guy is simply amazing. There's some cyberpunk, some steampunk, if you want, into this design. The contrast with the copper and the titanium and the finish of the, I mean, it's a really, really cool one. So let's just check the weight of the whole thing put together, because this is not a light one. In fact, look at this, 4.19 ounces. So it's kind of like, has some heft to it. It's like 4.19 ounces. So, but I mean, this translates into absolutely quality piece. Indeed, it's really cool looking. But let's see, for example, like size wise, this guy is going to be 2.25 inches wide, and if you want to compare it, for example, this is an Ambore coin. Let's do like here with the cool abduction from the alien. This is your Hearthstone version 2. Also another cool piece from Muji. This is the pawn done in collaboration with Lautier. You can see the size of the pawn is just like that. This is another interesting piece. This is the TK EDC slider, and this is another Lautier piece. This is the Sam spinner, so you can actually see how this guy compares up against the Sam spinner. This is another pretty cool coin, haptic feedback right there, and this is like the bulletproof shield titanium. That's a one-off version, so you can have an idea, of how big this guy is, and it's a very, very neat spinner. It's a fancy one. It's expensive. It's not cheap. It's quite rare. It's a limited edition. It's beautifully made. Machining is superb. I love the design. I love the shape. The sound. it's almost inaudible. There is a very subtle whirring sound. Especially if you change direction, you're going to be able to hear it, but it's super subtle, absolutely not annoying. You can watch a movie, you can go to the movies and use this and nobody will ever complain because it's so smooth and quiet. The weight is there, so you're gonna have some heft into the hand if you're using the 6 capsules. But I mean, overall, it's a fantastic one. It looks good. It sounds great. It feels amazing in the hand. It's a very, very cool fidget spinner toy, and I pretty much like it. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.